When a car fails to pick up speed, it can be caused by several issues. A clogged air filter is one possible reason, as it restricts airflow and hinders engine performance. Another reason could be issues with the fuel pump, which is responsible for supplying fuel to the engine. A faulty oxygen sensor is also a potential cause, as it plays a crucial role in ensuring the engine runs efficiently. To fix these issues, start by unclogging the air filter. Access and remove it, inspect for debris or dirt, and spray a recommended cleaning solution. Allow the filter to soak. Then rinse it repeatedly with a garden hose until the water runs clear. Shake off excess water and let the filter air dry. Once dry, saturate the filter with fresh filter oil and return it to its original position. If the car still fails to pick up speed, check the fuel pump for signs of damage and use a pressure gauge to measure pressure readings, comparing them to the manufacturer's specifications. If the pump is damaged or the readings deviate from the specifications, replace it with a new one that meets OEM specifications and has been primed before installation. If the problem persists, consider replacing the oxygen sensor. Unscrew the faulty sensor, unplug it, and replace it with a new one, ensuring it is securely screwed in and free of grease. If none of these solutions work, it may be necessary to seek the input of a professional. By following these steps, it is possible to identify and fix the issue preventing a car from picking up speed.